Hello everyone, I am Deborah, Fit550. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Today we are going to continue to make it our own kind of special with a mixed berry protein shake that I am calling Mary Berry. Thank you guys again for joining me, and remember you guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button below and give this video a like and share. So today's flavor of the month again is the Mary Berry, and we are going to put it together starting with this unsweetened almond milk. And to our almond milk, we are going to add our protein powder, which is packed with 25 grams of protein, you guys. A pinch of salt. That's to bring out the flavor and goodness of this protein shake. Some sweetener, I'm using stevia today. And now for our berries, you guys. And I am using a combination of strawberries and blueberries that are frozen. And then lastly, some ice. Put the cover on this and give this a blend until it is smooth and creamy. And this is ready. All right, everyone, just like that, this is ready. Lord, I thank you. You guys, this is so good. It is creamy, it's thick, it's cool, it is refreshing. And I also have to tell you too, I just finished working out, so this is perfect for my post-workout recovery because it's packed with protein. So give it a try and let me know how much you enjoy this, guys, by leaving it in the comments below. And remember to give this video a thumbs up and please do share. And also remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember, you guys, it is a great day and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit550. Thank you guys and enjoy.